SSC Physics Chapter 2 Motion. My dear student, how are you? I am very fine. Today I will discuss SSC Physics Chapter 2 Motion. Today I will discuss about periodic motion, scalar quantities and vector quantities. Dear student, let's go periodic motion. What is periodic motion? The question: what is periodic motion? Periodic motion. Write down, please. Look at here. The motion of an object. The motion of an object that repeats its path regularly after equal interval of time is called periodic motion. Periodic motion. Periodic motion. Right? For simple example, elastic spring. Number 1, electric spring. Electric spring to and fro repeats its motion motion over the same path after interval of time that is the periodic motion. Right? Secondly, number 2, motion of the earth around the sun. Right? Motion of the earth round the sun. We know that over the same circular path and repeats its motion after equal interval time, that is also periodic motion. Right? Example 3, motion of the hand up at clock, up and clock is periodic motion, right? For example, pendulum to and fro, pendulum to and fro are periodic motion, right? Dear student, periodic motion of periodic motion is for the divided and two type of motion, periodic motion, periodic motion, periodic motion divided and two type of motion. Number one, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion and non-oscillatory motion. Non-oscillatory motion, right? To remember, dear student, be more attention please. Oscillatory motion, periodic periodic motion in which object moves, object move back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and up and down, up and down from a fixed point is called oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion, for example, electric spin, electric spin pendulum rocking chair, every oscillatory motion is periodic motion, right? Non-oscillatory motion, write down please, periodic motion in which periodic motion in which which object does not moves back and forth back and forth from a fixed from a fixed from a fixed point is called non oscillatory non non oscillatory motion, right? For example, motion of the earth is periodic but not oscillatory. The motion of a hands up a clock is periodic but not oscillatory, right? The motion of a hands up a clock is periodic but not oscillatory, right? Just remember that every oscillatory motion is periodic, but not every periodic motion is oscillatory motion, right? Next topics, scalar quantities and vector quantities. Scalar quantities. Scalar quantity, any physical quantity, write down please, any physical quantity which has got a magnitude only is called a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity, right? For simple example, length, speed, mass, time, distance, work, power, energy, etc. Right? A scalar quantity change only when its magnitude is changed. There is no defined rule to the express a scalar quantity. Okay? Vector quantity. Vector quantity. Vector quantity. Any physical quantity, any physical quantity quantity which which has which has both magnitude and direction is called a vector quantity, right? For simple example, displacement displacement velocity, etc., right? Vector quantities are expressed by an arrow sign, straight line over the quantities, or by bold letter. Is it right? Vector quantities are expressed by an arrow sign, straight line, straight line, and over and bold letter are vector quantities, right? Dimension. Dimension. There are student. Be more attention, please. Dimension. To remember, the power of fundamental. The power of fundamental quantities quantities in a physical quantity in a physical quantity is called its dimension, right? For example, volume volume is equals to length. Length is equals to length cube is equals to length L cube. Area is equals to length whole square is equals to L into L is equals to L square, right? So the power of fundamental quantities is physical quantities is called its dimension. Is it right? Velocity is equals to displacement, displacement divided by time. Displacement means L time t is equals to L t inverse. This is dimension, right? Okay, my dear student, thank you so much. Tell me again class.